Hi everyone, my name is Risha. Today is the 9th of March 2025 and I'll be going over my weekly option chain analysis for Tesla for the upcoming expiry on the 14th. The max OI level for CE and PE are down, that's negative. Quantity is higher for PE, that's negative. Change is higher for PE, that's negative. Short squeeze is higher for CE, that's positive. I don't know why that says negative. That's positive. PCR is lower than 1, that's negative. Implied volatility and historical volatility are both higher, that's 2 negatives. RSI is lower, that's negative. There is no divergence, that's negative. MACD negative. DMI is bearish as well, so that's negative. ADX is lower, that's negative. ATR is higher, that's negative. Both EMAs are lower, that's 2 negatives. VWAP is lower, pivot point is lower as well, that's 2 negatives, and the candlestick is bearish. The new support is 250. The previous support 2 weeks ago was 320. The new resistance is 280 and the previous resistance was 360, and overall the prediction is that Tesla goes down. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Enjoy, and I'll see you in the next video.